friends, so welcome to the my channel. So you can see how to get minimum 5 LPA package, minimum 5 LPA package in IT. If you are learning some technology like any technology, if you are learning, so basically right now I'm talking technology for Python. So if you are really interested into IT sector, into software company, if you want to work into software company, and if you want to minimum 5 LP package, then I'm explaining how you get minimum 5 LP package, and company like Wipro, TCS, Capgemini, Accenture, all are the very, I mean that secure, we can say that very secure company. If you are placed in this company, then your life is so, I mean that you can work very easily, not too much pressure in this company. Okay. So if you are, sorry, if you are really looking looking to join software company like a Wipro, Accenture, IBM, and TCS, Capgemini, then how you get the job into this company? Okay. So I'm explaining one by one. So basically, I'm talking if you are if you are able to see, if you are learning Python, so learn Python, Django, SQL, and get minimum 5 LPA package in MNC company like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Capgemini, etc. There are several IT companies, okay, but these companies are very reputed, okay, reputation wise very good. So I'm talking how to get placement in this company. Okay, so if you are really interested on Python, okay, if you are really interested on Python, then what topic you need to first you need to learn. So if you are fresher and right now you are doing some courses like a BTech, and if you are doing any technical course like a BCA or MCA, okay, then how to get placement easily, okay. So which topic you can focus first, okay. So I'm explaining one by one, okay. So if you are really interested to Python, then first you learn what is Python. If you are beginner, okay. So Python is a popular, easy to learn. Python is a popular, easy to learn programming language known for the simplicity and readability. It is used in the web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, and more. So Python is very easy programming language. Okay, if you are beginner, then I recommended to you can start with Python language. So installation of Python, how you can install the Python in your system. So this is the python.org official link for the to download the Python. So visit this python.org site and you can install over there. After then you can check the Python version, which version you install in your system. If you are using if you are using Linux operating system, then you can put Python 3 versions. Okay, so if you are not able to install, then you can comment in my video in the video section. Okay, and I will give the mail ID. You can mail If any problem related to Python regarding how you can start the learnings, okay, so everything I can support for the placement oriented programming to you and everyone whoever watching this video into my channel. My channel name is PKR right now Exam Academy. So this is so you can I kindly request you to please subscribe my channels and so these are the this is the basic introduction of Python. Now moving to next topic. So, so for the beginner, if you are beginner, okay, and if you want to learn Python, then first you can learn what is variable, what is data types, what are the data types available on the Pythons. Okay, so first you learn variable, how we are declaring the variables in the Pythons. Okay, so once you read the this topic, variables and data types, after then you can go for the operators. What is arithmetic operator, what is logical operator, what is comparison operators. Okay, so these are very important while while you are performing some operations into real time. Okay, whenever you are working in the real time project, that time it is very useful. Okay, so if your basic things is strong, then you are not if you are learning high level programming language, that time you are not facing any challenges. Okay, so these basic topics, first you learn this basic topic very thoroughly and very deeply. Okay, what is variables, how we can define, how if I am writing some suppose that um so this thing topic I will cover one by one topic. First, I will make one separate video for the beginner topics, and I will cover this topic within 10 to minimum 20 minutes. Okay, so right now there are so many ways you can learn this topic. Okay, so this is the control flow. Control flow, that means if else loop and loop. Okay, control flow, that means loop conditions. Suppose that if I'm talking you are right now learning BCA. Okay, if you pass then you will get minimum 5 LPA package in the company like a MNC company like a Capgemini, Wipro, and etc. Okay, so this type of condition is coming into control flow. Okay, now next topic is function, very important functions, very important topic, functions and module. If you are really you are working into real time project, okay, that time every time we are using functions. Okay, and modules it is modules is nothing but it is also a functions, but it is predefined. Okay, we are importing the things and we can using into our project. So this topic are very important. So if you are learning beginner things, whatever topic I am explaining right now, then it is very easier for you to get. Uh, I mean that whenever you are facing the interview, that time very simple question he asks, and all the MNC company very simple question is asking. After then you can go for the data structures. So this is the list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. If you are working on the real time, okay, that time most of the times we are using these topics, list, tuples, and dictionary and sets. Okay, and this topic is very helpful because this topic we are sorry we are storing the data. Okay, so if you are if you learn deeply this topic, then it is very easy for whenever we are performing some programs. After then, string manipulations. This one is also because everything is a string. Okay, whatever we are writing. Okay, so this is the string manipulations. Next topic is file handling. file handlings, that means if you have any files and some data content on that file, that time you need to grab the data from the PDF, sometime Excel file, sometime text file. So you need to handle these things uh, with the help of programming. Okay, so this is the beginner topics. So if you are freshers, if you are freshers, if you are freshers, then you learn this topic within this. I mean that you can cover this topic within 10 days. Minimum 10 days you can give for this topic. Minimum 10 days you can give for these topics. 10 days. Within 10 days, if you are learning one by one, first 2 day you can give for these variables and data types. Next 2 day you can give these operators. Next day you can give for the control flow and function modules, list tuples and string. So I will make these beginner topics one separate video. Okay. So don't worry. If you are not interested in my video, then you can watch another video. Also not an issue. So this is the beginner things. Now I am moving to next topics. So once you cover the beginner topics, after that you can go for the intermediate topics. So these are the intermediate topics you can see. So this is the object oriented programming. This is intermediate. So most of the times if you are giving the interview as a freshers, or you if you have 1 or 2 year experience, that time most of the question asked from the object oriented programming, that means oops concept. Okay, in the oops concept, basically this topic, classes, object and inheritance, these three topics is coming into oops concept. After that, once you, so if you are learning oops concept, then minimum you can give 10 days for the oops concept, because lots of question whenever you are facing some interview, that time interviewer will ask from the from the developers or whoever I mean that interested into programming. So you can cover this topic through I mean that thoroughly. After that, exception handling, try and accept. So whenever you are writing some program into real world, real times, okay, that time you need to handle some exceptions. Okay, suppose that this program is not executed, that time program will not stop. Okay, it will accept the programs and move to the next step. So this is the exception handling programming you need to handle on your programs. After that, list comprehensions. So in the beginner topic you learn list. So if you have, if you are aware what is list, what are the method available on the list, after then you can learn the list comprehension. So the advanced version of list is called list comprehensions. Now very important, decorators and generators. It is very important topics in the intermediates. Okay, so if you are started learning that time, you can understood what is decorator and generators. Next topic is lambda function. So lambda function is the advanced version of functions. Okay, so in the beginner, if you are if you learn thoroughly functions, then you can easily understood these lambda functions. Next, regular expression. Next, regular expressions. Okay, so regular expression is also important, because if you have bunch of data, that time you can identify some of the meaningful data, that time we are using regular expression. So this topic is also very important Okay, and interviewer is asking whenever you are facing some interview as a fresher, or if you have 1 or 2 years experience. Okay, that time interviewer most of the question asking from these topics. Next is working with APIs and web scripting. API API is API basically, I mean that communicating two applications. Okay, if you are if you have one application to communicate with another application, that time API come into pictures. Okay, so I will explain in the next topics whenever I will make the intermediate topics I am covering in the video. So don't worry. First you memorize the things, what topic you need to cover. First you are aware the things, what is oops, what is the exception handlings. Okay, so once you know the topics, so that you can give, if interviewer will ask some question from this related topic, then at least you can tell the definition, what is decorator, what is oops. After then interviewer will ask from the you, KO, can you write one decorators, can you write one list comprehension or some question. So whatever I will explain in this tutorials, everything I will explain real time, not whatever in the real time, whatever question is asking, that question I am covering in this series. Okay, so you can, if you are really understood my point, then within maximum 2 month or minimum 30 days, I will assure you कि you can get minimum 5 LPA package, minimum 5 LPA package, and you can place in the reputed organizations. So these are the intermediate topics. Now move to the next topic. Now moving to the next topic, and next topic is advanced topic. So this is the advanced topic I am covering. So this is advanced topic. So if you are fresher, then you need to cover only intermediate and basic things. Okay. If you have at least 2 years or 3 years experience in the IT, then you need to cover this advanced topic also. Okay, so what is multi-threadings? What is multiprocessing? Very important topic. If you are if you are really if you have some experience in the IT sectors, and if you are working in the real time, then interviewer every time asks what is multi-threading, what is multiprocessing, what is synchronous programming. This topic is also very important. And what is data science? Panda. In the data science, basically this Panda, NumPy, and Matplotlib is using. These are the Python package. Okay. These are the Python modules. So if you are aware the things, then it is very easy to learn Panda, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Next topic is machine learning. Machine learning. So this is the these are the modules it is using in the machine learning. PyTorch, TensorFlow, Sklearns. Okay, so these are the topics. Next, if you are interested into web development, okay, so this is the framework. It is used to develop the applications. Okay, so if you learn Python thoroughly, okay, you understood everything. What is variable? What is function? What is flow control? What is oops? And all everything you learn. Okay. After that, if you are interested into web development area, okay, then you need to learn at least one framework. Either you can learn Flask or either you can learn Django. Okay, so this is very important. In the real times, Flask and Django both are very popular framework for the Pythons. Okay, so you need to learn at least one framework to get the job into IT. Okay, next, database. Very important. You learn at least one database. Okay, I will teach you. Okay, very simple. So right now, my target, if you are anyone watching this video, okay, really target within 30 to 60 days, maximum 30 days I will take to you, and you can minimum get 5 LPA package. 5 LPA minimum I am targeting to you in the whatever company I shown in the image, like a Wipro and all. Okay, so how you can get the job? Okay, so I am explaining these things. So please support me and this cyber security ethical hackings with the Python. If anyone interested on these topics, cyber security ethical hacking with Python, then you can learn. Next is DevOps, and this is the automations, the scripting and CI/CD. Okay, continuous integration and continuous deployment. So if you have 3 to 4 year experience, then you can learn DevOps, automation, scripting, and this these topics. Okay, so this is the advanced topics. So if you learn these topics, then I mean that all the topics, all the Pythons related topic you covered. So you can start from the, if you are freshers, then you can start from the uh, inter from the beginners, from the beginners topics, from the, so this is the basic things I have explained, and this is the beginner topics. Okay, so you can learn these things. This is the beginner topics, and one more things. So now coming back to this, so you can target these things, you can cover these topics. In the next section video, I will cover one intermediate topics, whatever topic I explained right now. So in the next video, in this video, I will not cover. Okay, actually I'm giving the walkthrough how you can get the minimum 5 LP package. Minimum 5 LP package like a Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Capgemini, IBM. You can place in this company. This is the my ambition. This is the target. Okay, if you are really joined with my tutorials, then I can assure you within 30 to 60 days you can get a job in the reputed MNC company like this. So you can, if you are really watching this video, please subscribe my channels. Okay, I am uploading this video into my channels, PKR Job Exam Academy right now. So please subscribe my channels. And if you have any doubts, then you can comment in the chat session, in the comment section, or I am giving our mail ID. You can mail me so that I can reply you how you can get the, I mean that how you can get the job into IT sectors. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Whoever watching. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.